Hello everyone, welcome back to Gags Kitchen. Today we are making mini peanut butter cookies. Super easy, super tasty, and full of that sweet and salty nutty peanut flavor in every bite. They are so delicious, so let's get baking with just a few simple ingredients. For this recipe, I'm taking half cup of melted butter, but you can also use softened butter if you prefer. Then add 1/3 cup of brown sugar and a half cup of any peanut butter of your choice. Mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. Sprinkle a little bit of salt. Now add half cup of all-purpose flour, one teaspoon of a baking powder and give it a good mix. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and crack 1 egg. Mix everything well until it's fully combined. Add 1/3 cup more all-purpose flour, but do it in 2 parts. Add half first and mix well. Now add the rest and mix again until you get a soft but non-sticky dough. That's it, our cookie dough is ready. Well, I have already lined my baking tray with a baking sheet, and now it's time to shape these tiny little cookie balls. Take a small portion of the dough, roll it gently between your palms to smooth it out, and place it on the tray. I'm making first batch with about half of the dough. Make as many small round balls as your tray can fit, leaving a little space between each one since they will rise slightly while baking. Alright, my first batch of mini cookies is ready to go in. Bake them in preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 12 minutes. While the first batch of cookies is baking, you can carry on with the same process for the remaining dough. Take small portions, roll them into small little balls and place them on a tray, leaving a bit space in between. Now my first batch of mini cookies is done. They look and smell amazing. Let's take them out and pop the second batch into the oven for baking. Do not touch the cookies right now. They are hot and very soft at this point, so you might end up breaking them. Just let them cool completely. Now my second batch of cookies is done too. Let's take them out and allow them to cool completely as well. Once cooled, look at that. The cookies are perfectly baked, slightly golden on the top and just right at the bottom. These mini cookies are so much fun to make and super easy too. Me and my kids just love these cute little cookies. You can enjoy them right away and store the rest in a clean and airtight jar. Add these mini cookies to a bowl and enjoy them with a glass of cold or a warm milk. They taste amazing either way. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how it turned out. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Thank you for watching Gags Kitchen and I'll see you in next one.